Hi friends, this is Manisha Chaudhary and I welcome you back to my channel Manisha's Craft Ideas. I'm delighted to be back with yet another bulletin board which is on Vijayadashmi. And this is the base we have chosen up for the bulletin board and the main artwork for the bulletin board is Lord Rama right here. This is the sketchy version which I have taken a reference from the net and have sketched out. So I was surprised to see that most of the references were also, the skin tone of Lord Rama was also executed in blue color just like Krishna. So likewise, just following the base color, using the acrylic paint for the same. And since this entire image is done in a bold, very comic-y way, that is just doing the shadows and a little bit of highlight and the base tone instead of doing the complete rendering and the blending of the tones. So even I'm sticking to the same style of the work. And I'm very fond of acrylic paint, so therefore always using that. And bear in mind, if you are a little not comfortable with this art medium, don't mess it up. So as there are tens of ways to complete the same artwork, you can use your poster colors, whichever paints that you're more comfortable with. Though I find this color medium, this typical acrylic paints to be very, very easy to do. They're white, they're vibrant once it is finished. And just by, see, even if there are little flaws here and there, just by adding the black outlines, it just lights up the entire artwork. Gives a definite shape, gives a definite form. Even if you have goofed up somewhere, you can correct it just by adding outline to the entire artwork. Really love this image. It's very superhero kind of execution of this thing, and it's going to cover the entire left side of my bulletin board. The size of the board itself is not, the size is quite big, and the artwork itself is going to cover the one side. So I'm not worried about the rest of it, as the quotation and a little bit of texture and design and pattern will fill it up. Instead of doing a complete artwork of Ravan in blazes, I don't want to do like that. This time I wanted to take up the challenge of making something new. Because as it is, the presentation is quite symbolic. Yeah, Ram is destroying the negativity. He himself is representing good, something which is pure, and destroying whatever is not right, not correct. My silly version of the Dashera here. So this is me doing it all by myself, the outline. And here we are covering the board with a sort of a pattern as a design in the base. Instead of just leaving it blank, that would have left with, I would have to look for few more fillers to complete it. So instead of that, since we always have spray colors with us at all the times, so thought of adding this, any sort of floral stencil and covering it up. Base of the color is orange, therefore center is done with the red color and outer rim is done with the green color. See, easy to do. Multiple stencils, stamps, you can take it out using the same stencil. And I didn't want to overdo it also, since it becomes really easy to complete it with the spray. But then again, it grabs too much attention and take away the important artwork. So I didn't want to do that. And Rama being the star of the entire bulletin board, my board is little loose on the screws, therefore it keeps on falling. Okay, this is me completing it with strings of the bow as well. See, the Rama, the bow was really big in size, and this was done by cutting it, taking two same stencils out of the one complete full chart paper of yellow in color. So it was just going outside the bulletin board. So just by layering up the sheet multiple times from the top part, we have tried to keep it sturdy, and by adding blue colors on the one side is going to add depth and a simple and easy to make, easy to read quotation. Celebrate the victory of the forces of good over evil. So here this brings me to the end of this bulletin board idea, and I'm going to wrap it up. If you have liked my bulletin board idea, do try it out in your own schools. Share the pics. Do share your feedback. It really makes me happy. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Thank you.